And we're going to discuss a lot of topics today. We got a very distinguished panel that I want to introduce y'all to. Have anybody, by the way, ever heard of a company called Busted Records before? Busted Productions, anything like that? It was just a little small company that sold over 30 million records. And that was MC Hammer's company. And, you know, at that time, we branded Hammer. Hammer was probably arguably the biggest star in the world. We branded Hammer. Hammer had 187 employees working for him under his place. And, you know, when Hammer fell off, because we branded Hammer, nobody knew who those 187 employees were unless you had a distinctive personality or made relationships in this business. I met a guy named Denny when he was a real young fella. He came about, he branded a company called Bad Boy. He didn't brand Faith, he didn't brand Biggie, you know, who passed, Faith who left, and Shine went to jail, and, you know, he branded Bad Boy. The brand is so powerful until you can actually be pushing a broom over in the corner, and the people over here be whispering, he works for Bad Boy. That's how powerful that brand is. So we're going to touch a lot of topics today, the subjects, but I want to introduce the panel here. I think I will start, let me just start over here. This gentleman here is a gentleman I have the pleasure of working with and managing, and he's from the world famous, and I say First Family of Gospel, the Winans family. He's signed to Diddy as a songwriter producer. He's Grammy nominated. He's responsible for millions and millions